it's Kelly Timecat again. Today I'm going to talk to you about Watch the Sunset 2017. This is an Australian movie and it's filmed in and around Kerrang, a small town about 170 miles north of Melbourne in Victoria. It's all one shot, as in the camera keeps rolling in one take, similar to Victoria, the film that is 2016, set in Berlin. I wasn't actually sure if I was about to see a documentary at the start as we watched the arid scenery out of a car window. The camera pans around showing a 30-something man, Danny, played by Tristan Barr. He's driving and slumped on the back seat as a young woman, Charis, who looks in a terrible state, sunken eyes, possible bruising, certainly out of it in a drugged up semi-comatose condition. We reach a motel in the town and Danny quickly buys a room and carries Charis into it. All very ominous. After locking the door, Danny drives to a church where someone he knows is singing in a choir. His ex-partner, Sally Chelsea Renee Zeller. She spots him and leaves hurriedly and he follows her, which upsets her. Turns out very strange. What follows over the next hour and a quarter is a lot of drama, a kidnapping, lots of gun violence. There are only 6 actors who have a significant role and a couple more who appear fleetingly. For instance, one at a gun range. I didn't realise how prevalent guns were in Australia until I saw Nitram a few months ago. But this was really gripping. I gave a lot of kudos to the great performances that the actors gave in this single take. There were a couple of cringeworthy moments that I just thought, one character seems to blow hot or cold in terms of attitude. This felt a bit strange, but I suppose that's what drugs do. And overall, I thought it was a really interesting film to watch. I'll score it 7 out of 10. If you've seen this film, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.